Another day, another concrete pour. Today they are pouring the concrete for the stem walls. We should need one truck of concrete. Pumper truck, my favorite truck, is here, ready to pump. That's the good stuff. So he's wetting down the forms right now so that the concrete doesn't stick to them. I just can't get enough of this concrete pouring. Look how fast it comes out of there. Fill up those stem walls. That separate little mini tube that Angel's sticking in there is a vibrator. It vibrates the concrete and makes it all nice and level and no honeycombs. That's a term I just found out today. No air gaps, makes everything nice and smooth. You may recall that they used some of our former deck wood to brace these forms, including this board right here. That's a problem because in just a moment, it's gonna crack. Wait for it. Yeah, I heard that snap. What did we learn today? Don't use old wood for stem wall forms because it's gonna break! Now, it wasn't a big deal in the end. The whole wall didn't collapse, everything stayed together, but the concrete on that side of the stem wall did bow out a little bit, and they needed to spend a good half a day sanding it down, scraping it away, and then repatching it to make it nice and smooth. But it wouldn't have been necessary if they had just used new wood. Keep your hands off my deck wood!